Imagine yourself that right now you are having just $17 on your deposit and you don't know what to do with it. And I'm right here to help you to overclock your deposit up to $4,000. So it is my goal for today and I have two assistants. It is MACD indicator and parabolic SAR. And of course my first assistant in my entire trading, it is the technical analysis. And I always recommend you to conduct it at first and only then look at the signals of your indicators. So like this video right now, subscribe to the channel and also check the link in the description. There I have my own Telegram community and there I post free trading signals. Use these signals to get the profits with other members of this chat. And we are starting. So as you can see, this is the bullish trend on the market. The price went up with very impulsive green candlestick up and now it's been traded higher than the level of this candlestick closed. Well, my priority, open a trade up here, but we need to watch the moves next. Now the chart is being traded at the support level. And let's look at the indicators. Parabolic dots are under the chart and it means the uptrend resumption. And MACD green line is crossing the signal 1 from bottom to top. So here I'm gonna open a trade up for 1 minute. Let's check what's gonna happen here. So here there was a slight growth of the price and it brought me my profit. Next, the predictions of the previous trade are still relevant because parabolic dots are still under the chart and the main MACD line is above the signal 1. They both are moving further from the zero level. And I also take into account the slight growth from the first entry point and we remember that this is the bullish market. So let's open a trade up for 1 minute. So guys, it is amazing and we got the profit. Let's continue. So here we can see the price highs have been updated 2 times and it is a strengthening bullish trend. Well, parabolic dots are under the chart at a sufficient distance from it. MACD lines are diverging further from zero level and moving higher. So it is a strengthening trend, guys, and we can open an up trade here for 2 minutes. Let's check what's gonna happen here. It's amazing, guys, because price first moved down and then went higher. We got the profit here, but if we chose 1 minute, it would be a loss. It's congratulations for you and me. We can continue. Price slowed down here we got a flat zone. There is a possibility that the price gets to the correction zone because it's grown for a long time and we can try a down trade. We can see also the parabolic dots are above the chart and this may signal not a certain change in the trend, but it's a attenuation at least. MACD green moving average is crossing the signal 1 from top to bottom and they both are moving towards the lower zone. So here I'll open a down trade for 1 minute with my entire deposit. So guys, it is very good because price dropped down and it is the profit for you and me. Next, I want to open the similar trade because the market hasn't changed a lot. Well, let's invest $196 for 1 minute down. It is very interesting because price didn't show a serious move, but I still got a profit. We can continue. So let's observe what we have next. Here, this is the low volatility, but I trade with 2 indicators and it's a great chance for me to find the perfect entry point. Well, MACD indicator shows intersectional moving averages from bottom to top. Parabolic dots are appearing under the chart and very close to it. It is a very good signal from both indicators to open a trade up for 1 minute. So let's check what's gonna happen here. So it is very interesting because price went up and I got my profit. Next, the distance between the chart move and parabolic indicator is increasing and it is a strengthening up move. MACD also shows the same signal because lines are moving higher than the zero level, and also it is a very good moment and I'm sure to open a trade up for 1 minute. Let's check what's gonna happen next. So it is very interesting because price went higher and the profit is mine. Let's continue. Next, let's see what we got here. The price has moved in the flat zone most of the time. We can see now the price is breaking the resistance level through with impulsive green candlestick. MACD indicator shows movement higher than the zero level. Green moving average is above the signal one, and the parabolic SAR dots diverging farther from the chart move. These are the signals of a strengthening uptrend. So I will invest my entire deposit up trade for 2 minutes. So here we can see 2 minutes was the right decision, otherwise we would get a loss. Let's continue. Next, the price showed the impulsive red candlestick. It also tested the support level. Parabolic dots are above the chart at a great distance from the price movement. MACD moving averages are crossing the zero level. Green line is moving much lower than the red one. So we take into account all these signals and it's a great chance to open a trade down for 2 minutes. So here we can see the price went lower and it brought me my profit. It is very good because now we can see my deposit is more than $4,000, but I had just $17. And many of you can have the same deposit right now, and it means that just watching and finding these situations on the market, you can overclock your deposit up to $4,000. So my goal is completed. I got more than $4,000 on my deposit, and only thanks to the technical analysis and to indicators, because all these tools help me to find the perfect entry points. And you can do the same, but I just want you to come back to me after your trading, after your profitable trading, or not very profitable, and just leave your feedback about this experience. And I'm also ready to help you and support you if you support me. So subscribe to the channel right now, put your like, and join my Telegram community. Get free trading signals, interact with other members, trade with us in one team, and also find another useful information about crypto. So guys, I wish you all the best, wish you good mind, and see you in the next video.